Mental health text support service Shout, launched by Royals Prince William. The Guardian. We use cookies to improve your experience on our site and to show you personalized advertising. To find out more, read our end. The service is separate from the Samaritans, which already operates a phone line and an email service using 20,000 volunteers who answer more than 5 million calls a year, the equivalent of one every 6 seconds. Shout will allow people to open up a text chat with a volunteer working remotely, most likely at home, who has been trained to listen, reassure, and guide people. All the text conversations are anonymous, unless the client wants to give their name, and are reviewed in real time by a panel of qualified psychotherapists who can take control if they feel there is a problem in the direction of the discussion. Artificial intelligence determines the priority for handling each case based on what is written in each initial text. When words like volunteering is not for everyone, said Prince William, who has previously told how his first assignment when he worked for East Anglian Air Ambulance was to a male suicide. There are some very each volunteer will be asked to commit to the training and 200 hours of volunteering a year. One of the current a similar system in the US has been operating for 5 years and has handled 100 million texts, with spikes around moments such as the suicide of the comedian and the broadcast of the Netflix series, about a young woman who takes her own life. In the UK in 2017 there were 5,821 suicides, with the highest rate for men aged 45-49. The UK male suicide rate is the lowest in more than 30 years. It decreased by Shout will be funded with money from the Royal Foundation, the primary philanthropic and charitable vehicle for the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. Information about in the UK, Samaritans can be contacted on 116 123 or email. In the US,
raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.